Convolutional neural network for diabetic foot ulcer classification. Nowadays, diabetic foot ulcer are among the most common complications of patients who have diabetics. Our aim of this project is to classify the given image as diabetic or normal foot ulcer. The existing system, it is based on SVM classification. In our proposed system, we have used CNN algorithm. Using this algorithm, it gives a high level of accuracy as compared to SVM classification. The modules are dataset collection, image processing, feature extraction, region of interest, and classification. These are some of the screenshots from the project. Thus, our system classifies the foot ulcer image as diabetic or normal skin with 90% of accuracy. Thank you.